Not bad, right?
Nope. And what was your Goldstrike here?
Yeah, so also they asked the question, now they answer it. Oh, ow. My back is fine. Ugh.
Nudity hot.
Possible rash.
Got it.
Tonight under suit clothes. So you want to go straight into the river right afterwards to make sure that there's no quote unquote possible rash. I've never heard of anyone getting one, but just to be safe. So this is a pretty straight shot because there's this other little foothold right here. So it's here, here. This one might be for you girls and not me.